In a landmark decision, the European Court of Human Rights (ECHR) has ruled that Caster Semenya's right to a fair hearing was violated by the Swiss Federal Supreme Court. This ruling represents a critical moment in the ongoing battle over sex eligibility rules in athletics, particularly affecting athletes with differences of sexual development (DSD). Semenya, a two-time Olympic champion in the 800 meters, has faced restrictions since World Athletics imposed regulations in 2019 that require certain female athletes to lower their testosterone levels to compete. The court's decision highlights the complexities surrounding fairness in women's sports and the rights of athletes. Semenya, born with DSD, has been unable to compete in her favorite event since these regulations were introduced. Despite winning a partial victory at the ECHR, the ruling does not immediately change current restrictions. The court found that the Swiss Supreme Court's review did not meet the requirements of Article 6, which guarantees the right to a fair hearing. However, Semenya's claims under Articles 8, 13, and 14 were deemed inadmissible, focusing the case solely on Switzerland's government rather than world athletics. This ruling keeps alive Semenya's long legal struggle against regulation that many see as discriminatory. As a response to the ECHR's decision, World Athletics remains firm in its belief that the rules are necessary to ensure fair competition. They are planning to implement DNA tests to further scrutinize athletes' biological sex in the coming weeks. The scientific evidence supporting the notion that athletes with DSD retain male-like advantages continues to bolster the governing body's stance. As the International Olympic Committee considers similar measures, the ECHR's ruling will undoubtedly reignite discussions on the intersection of gender, biology, and sports. Despite the legal victories, Semenya's competitive career appears to be over as she transitions into coaching. Her lawyer, Schona Jolly, emphasized the importance of athlete rights, stating that the governance of international sport must recognize and respect them. Semenya's journey, from a rising star to symbol of the fight for equality in sports, underscores the ongoing challenges faced by athletes who defy traditional norms. As she continues to advocate for her rights and those of others, the spotlight remains on a sport grappling with its definitions of fairness and inclusion.